Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to fix SIM not found problem. This problem occurs when you just insert different SIM cards in your Poco smartphone. So here it is written, insert the registered Airtel SIM to unlock phone. So here it is the specific name Airtel. You have to insert Airtel SIM only to unlock your smartphone. If you are putting different SIMs, it will not turn or unlock your device. So let's insert the SIM card. So here you can see I have inserted this Airtel SIM card with 299 plan. So let's put in this SIM 1 port like this and then insert back into the smartphone, and you have to wait for a second, then it will process, and you can see the Airtel exclusive is unlocked successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.